Hello today, my lovely whatever fans, I don't know what the hell to call you. Today we're going to be drawing el eye, or el ojo in Spanish. Basically, to start off the eye, you want to do a circle. Easy, right? And then you draw basically the outer part of the eye. Here's these two things. It kind of looks like an oval. You can stylize it, make it more advanced. Not advanced, make it more pretty if you stylize it. Then you draw in the pupil. And you can erase some outer lines. And draw this shape in it. And you shaded it. Okay, the highlight right there. Boom. You have your eye. I could try it again with a different shape. Circle. This thing. Top, oval, highlight, shade, and boom, another eye. Of course, you can, me personally, I just do it, just draw the shape of the eye I want, and then I just draw the eye, like that. Of course, it's always important to know the basics of the eye. Let's draw like a real one. Let me switch pencil. You go like this. Draw the eye, pupil, the iris. That's what it's called, the iris. Highlight. Yeah, go like that. Fill in, shade. I can't tell the eyes look more realistic or not. Draw the eyelids. Boom. You have your eye. We try this a few more times. Circle. Eye shape. Pupil. Shade. Iris. Highlight and shade. You have your eye. Of course, when you're drawing the eye, move this up a bit. It's always important to darken the upper part of the eye near the corners like this to add more detail and to make it a little bit more realistic looking. Because you have that part. Because drawing your eyes, usually that part is usually the darkest and makes it look more pretty to say. Because if you just draw a normal eye like this, it doesn't look as nice. It looks off to say if your eyes catch it. That's why you always have to darken it. Me personally, I always darken the top part. And then a little bit to the corners, and boom. That's what I do. Of course, that's just for a front view. For a side view, just imagine the eye like a triangle. Not the triangle, like the shape of it. And then you just draw the oval in there. Then you draw the iris. And boom, you have your eye. It looks a bit weird. Let's try doing it with an actual head. So we do this. Draw the head. Ear. Nose, and boom. So draw the eye right here, a little triangle, and then you draw the eye shape, and boom, you have the eye. Crazy, right? Get a little hair. Make him all happy, smiley. Stuff like that. I mean, you can also make it look different. It's having the same boring shape. You can make it go a little bit like this. Have some character to it. That. Or maybe like this. Or maybe like this. Who knows? It's all up to you. For third view, usually when I do 3/4, I like to draw first. I also put the nose and make shapes. I like to draw my eyes kind of like in this short shape, which I got from like drawing skulls. I think you should draw skulls, by the way, mentioned here. I'll probably talk about that later in a different video, but I kind of draw my eyes like this, fill in the holes, and boom, you have like nice looking eyes. Or you can just do it normally. It's a 3D view, so the farther the eye, it's 3/4, so it looks more farther away. Some part of the eye is gonna look bigger, while it's gonna look smaller. So, for example, iris. You won't see the full part over there, but you can see a part of the right. Draw that right here. This looks like really crappy, but just stick with me. I try to make another video about this, but for now, that's all I can teach you.